Welcome to 2 minutes series of mathematics for O level. This series is designed for Cambridge students. As you know, we do smart work. So let's begin. The topic we have today is inverse proportion. In inverse proportion, two variables are linked in this way. When one is going up, other is going down. When one is going down, other is going up. And we express it: y is directly proportional to 1 over x, then y equal to k over x, where k is the constant of proportionality. In question number 2, 8 men can build a bridge in 12 days, and if 6 men are there, they will build the bridge in how many days? We put arrow upside on with x, and now men and the days are inverse proportional, then arrow is going down. The rule is tail overhead. We apply x over 12 equal to 8 over 6. Then we cross multiply 12 on the right hand side and we get simplified x equal to 16 days. In question number 5, 35 workers are employed to complete a construction project in 16 days. And in 14 days, if we have to complete the project, then how many men are employed more? So we apply upside arrow with the workers, and the days and the work is done in an inverse proportion, and we put downside arrow, and now tail overhead rule is applied. X over 35 equal to 16 over 14, and we multiply 35 on the right hand side, we get 40 workers. And how many more workers are there? 40 minus 35 equal to 5 workers employed more. In question number 7, there are 72 athletes in a sports camp, and the food is there last for 6 days. If 54 athletes are there, how many days will food will last? And it is inverse proportion, and we apply upside arrow on days and downside arrow on athletes. We get x equal over 6 equal to 72 over 54. We cross multiply 6 on the right hand side, we get x equal to 8 days. In question 11, the frequency is inversely proportional to wavelength lambda. We apply f is inversely proportional to 1 over lambda, then we apply f equal to k over lambda. We put f equal to 100 kilohertz and lambda equal to 3000 meters and k equal to 300,000. We put in equation 1. We get equation 2, f equal to 300,000 over lambda. This is our equation number 2. Now we put lambda equal to 500. In equation number 2, we get the value of f 600 kilohertz. In part 2, we put f equal to 800 kilohertz. In equation 2, we get lambda equal to 375 meters. In question 16, a contractor has to build a road for 3000 meters in 30 days, and he checked that how many after 20 days 1200 meter road has been completed. The 50 men were employed. They work 8 hours a day. Now how much more workers will be employed to complete the road in remaining days? So 800 meter is there, days are 10, the workforce will work for 10 hours a day, and how many more men are applied there? We put x. Now we put arrow on men and we check road and the men are directly proportional, days and men are inversely proportional, working hours and men are inversely proportional. Now we employ tail overhead rule, x over 50 equal to 8 over 10, 20 over 10, 1800 over 1200, and we simplify and apply the 50 is multiplied on the right hand side. We get x equal to 120 men. How many more men are there? 120 minus 50 equal to 70 workers. That's it for today. Before going, subscribe my channel for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.